Hi folks, have you ever wondered of this precise combination which has the salt, sugar and fat? Yes, I'm talking about those brownie, crunchy French fries and that level of crunch in the potato chips brands which you eat. So this concept is called as oro sensation, and what exactly it means. Uh, how does a product actually feels in your mouth? And a lot of big companies are spending millions of dollars to study this. I would like to introduce you to the concept called as the second law of behavior change, make it more attractive. Also, they are identifying the bliss point of each product, how much salt, sugar, and fat is what is accepted by the consumer. So, what are these brands doing actually? They are encouraging you to come back again and again and eat that stuff, and they are making it attractive by delivering the same product as expected. And they are pretty much sure that if they identify the taste for the consumer, they can build a behavior for them, right? So once they build the behavior, the consumer keep back coming to them and keep buying those stuff, and we end up overeating. So here is the crux of discussion. Brands are making it more attractive to you by putting that crunch, by putting that particular taste which you like, and that will in turn create the behavior for you. And this is a simple way of making your habits irresistible. Well, I hope you understood this concept of making your habits irresistible, though with the wrong examples of junk food. So let's now talk more about how to make good habits more irresistible. So to do this, you need to understand what are cravings and how it works. So I'm sure you're aware of the concept called as dopamine, which is a happy hormone release in the body, right? Then you may also know that the dopamine spike is more at the time of cravings and not when you receive response or reward. For example, just thinking about the vacation or making profits from anticipating profit from the stocks, just thinking about the upcoming festive season, which will actually increase your dopamine in the body rather than the event actually appears. And you may be thoughtful about that when you actually receive the reward, the dopamine spike in the body is not more rather than when you have the cravings for some particular thing. So it's a point which needs to be noted. So for me personally, I have understood the importance of second law of behavior change, making good habits irresistible. So we need to make our habits attractive because it is the expectation of rewarding experience that motivates us to act. So to conclude, I would say that make a good habit attractive and not the bad ones. All the best, and thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more updates and more tiny learnings. Bye.